I've talked some about deselecting things with from your marquee tool, but I haven't really delved into it, and I would really like to, so there isn't any confusion. If we select without the marquee tool, so we just click on an object in its own layer, we can move it around, and yes, that is a selection. But if we fill a shape, I'm going to make a new layer, new selection, and I'm going to fill this with color. If I don't deselect this and think that I can move this shape around while the marquee tool is still active, I will end up just moving the selection. And that might get annoying because you won't know how to get rid of these marquee lights, these selection ants that are dancing around. If I were to move to a new layer and not know how to deselect things, if I move to my other layer, layer 2 for example, and then start to move it around, I still get the same thing. It's always good to get into the habit of deselecting, which is Command D. Command D deselects it. So you have and start out with a blank selection. There are no selections, and you can move on to your move tool or whatever other tool that you need. It's always a good practice to do so.